finally going to get an exhaust system with a little bit or quite a lot of help from my friends at Vibrant Performance. For those who don't know, Vibrant makes professional grade fabrication products, so if you want to build an exhaust from scratch like we're going to do in the Cayenne today, they have everything you need to do that and to do so in the most professional way possible. I asked a bunch of my friends, they all agree that Vibrant is the go-to source for these products. I'm sure your friends agree, I'm sure your mom agrees, everyone pretty much agrees with this. And because it's not vehicle specific, you could have a Cayenne, E92, E30, they're going to have everything you need no matter what model your car is to build something custom for your exhaust or other parts of the vehicle, which is really rad. It doesn't really limit you. Anyone can use Vibrant parts and you're going to be getting a super high quality product. So I'm going to leave their link to their website in the description below. Go on there, peruse, check it out, see what you can come up with, and I'm going to show you what we're going to come up with today on the Cayenne. We got a bunch of different 304 stainless steel bends, 2 ultra quiet resonators, and 2 V-band clamps, and that's everything we're going to need to build a system from the axle back into a little dump. The plan is to come out of the factory exhaust with 2 quiet resonators on a 90-degree bend, and then tuck them up as close to the body as possible. We already cut the bumper and installed the steel bumper to improve the departure angle as much as possible, so to fill that with different piping and kind of work backwards wouldn't make any sense. So the plan with this is to improve the off-road capability of the Cayenne and just keep it as clean as possible, while quieting it down a little bit because it's ridiculously loud right now, being essentially straight piped. So tucked up, make it look good, keep it a little bit quieter, and it should be perfect. Oh yeah, and if you think I'm doing the welding, you are nuts. I wash cars. My friend Stefan and his company Birch Built are gonna do all the welding like he's done so many times before. all up in there now. It has the hangers on it. We ended up using 3/8 steel rod instead of 1/2 inch, so they don't fit in the factory hangers. We got new rubber. They're a little thin, so what I'm gonna do is put this on now, test fit it, see how it sounds, drive it around with the factory hangers in place. Take these off in like a week. I'm going to get some other stuff powder coated, so these are rusty, junky. Going to get these blasted, powder coated satin black, and then a slightly thicker rubber just so it fills out this gap, because currently it's a bit wide. So get it to fill out, throw some new hardware through it, and it's done. Should last a very, very long time.